all authority given to the Son. The Father loveth the Son, and hath given all things unto his hand. John 3 verse 35. This verse reveals both the deep love of the Father for the Son and the complete authority entrusted to Jesus Christ. Nothing exists outside of his control because the Father has placed everything unto the hand of his Son. In other words, the Father gave authority to the Son. The Son holds all things because all the power is placed in his hands, and Christ has the supremacy as the beloved Son. Because the Father loves the Son, he has given him absolute authority. Jesus is not simply a teacher or prophet. He is the one who governs life, salvation, and eternity. Our response to Christ determines our destiny, because all things, including eternal life, are found in him alone. To trust Christ is to trust the one who holds all things together. In Matthew 28 verse 18, Jesus Christ says further that all the power is given unto me in heaven and in earth. This verse confirms Christ's universal authority. Now, since Jesus has all the power, believers can live with confidence and obedience. Our faith, service, and witness rest not on our strength, but on his authority. If he is Lord of heaven and on earth, he is Lord of our lives. Again, Colossians 1 verse 19 says, For it pleased the Father that in him should all fullness dwell. Christ is fully sufficient. Nothing is lacking in him. Now, we do not need to seek salvation or purpose outside of Christ. Everything we need is found in the Son, because the Father has placed all fullness and authority in his hands. Because all things are in the hands of the Son, our only wise response is faith, surrender, and obedience. May we trust him fully, follow him faithfully, and rest in the power of the one